Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to transfer from Bybit to Coindcx. It's very simple thing to do. For this, go to bybit.com from your desktop browser, or you can do it from your Bybit app. Then after go to bybit.com, log into your account with your login details. Then from the home page, select assets from here. Then you will see your balance here. Just select withdraw. Then from withdrawal option, select your crypto which you want to send to your Coindcx. Then for example, I'm selecting Bitcoin as my crypto. Now you have to enter your wallet address. You will get this wallet address in Coindcx account. If you select deposit options, you will get your Bitcoin, and select crypto Bitcoin. You will get your Bitcoin wallet address. Just copy it from here and then paste it here. Now after pasted, select the chain type, as Coindcx, then enter the amount. Now review all the details and just select confirm to complete the withdrawal process. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw from your Bybit to Coindcx.